Keep on watching. So I'm going to show you the three websites that you can use to make money online. It's an application that you can use to make free money online. So let us head over to my Google Play Store and I will show you step by step on how you can use those applications to make money for free online. So this is my website. You can check it out. There's a lot of blog you can see to check them and see if it's what you want to really use to make money online. The link will be in the description below. The first link, it will be this my website that you can see on the screen. There's a lot of blog on this my website. Check them out and see if it's something you want to get involved into. So let us head over to my Google Play Store. Let me show you these applications that you can use to make money online for free. So once you're on your Google Play Store, you need to search for this application. The first one is Appkarma. Search for Appkarma. Search for Appkarma, you will see Appkarma reward and gift cards. So install the application, and once you have installed it, then click on open. So when you click on open, normally it will ask you to log into the application. It will ask you to log into the application. So once you have logged in, the login in is to register. Registering, you have to use your email. So once you click on your email, they will ask you to enter a referral code. You can use my referral code, which is what you can see on the screen here. So this is my referral code. Use iamregodspower as your referral code. I will still leave it in the description below. So yeah, use my referral code, which is iamregodspower, and that is my referral code. So once you have entered that, you are going to get 300 karma points, and then you can see what they will get. You say give 300 points. Your referral get 300 points. So yeah, so you get 300 points, and me, I will earn 30% from you. So yeah, for completing any offer, I'm going to be earning 50%. So I just want you to be aware of this. Yeah, before you use my referral code. It's not that you will get exactly the point you are going to be earning, but I'm going to be making some points from you anytime you complete any task. So that is what I want you to do, to know. Sorry. So that is for that area. When you come to the home menu here, this is you have daily surveys. You can click on that to complete your daily surveys. You will get points for completing your daily surveys. You can click on my offers. You can play game on this application, which is Appkarma, and you can take surveys and you get paid. As you can see, you can install those applications. They will pay you all those points you can see on the screen here. So you can just click on any one of the application you want to use and follow the instruction what they are telling you to do, and you will now be enabled to get those points. You can see this is 1,000 points, 1,000 almost 10,000 points that this application is going to pay you if you reach level 11 for using this application, which is almost $10 if you use this application. So yeah, that is what you can see on the screen here. You can see a lot of applications you can install and get paid for just doing that. So yeah, let me show you how you can make money, how you can receive your money and send the money into your paper account or into other gift card you want to use if you have the minimum amount of cash. Now, as you can see currently right now, me, I have 537 points on my account. I need to have at least 500 and 200 points plus to be able to cash out into my paper account. So when I click on rewards here, if I click on reward, you can see the payments method that you can use to receive money. You can see PayPal, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play Store, and Xbox and Steam. So you can see those applications that you can really use to make free, to redeem your money into your paper account, or redeem your money into your Amazon account, iTunes account, Google Play Store, Xbox Live. It depends on what you want to use to cash out. If I click on PayPal here, you will see now that I can select $5, $10, $50, $25, which is if I have the minimum amount of points I can use to cash out. So yeah, if I have it, I'll just click on redeem and the money will be sent into my paper account. So that depends on the country where you are. That is how long the transaction will take. So yeah, that is what I need to talk about on how you can receive your money. And you see here that you can refer anyone to this program and you get paid. So that is what I want you to know about this application. So you can see a lot of people are referred to this program. So yeah, let me go back again, and here I'm going to click on cancel, go to the home menu. That is everything I need to talk about on this application, which is Appkarma. So we are going to move to the next application. The next application we are going to use today is called, so the second application, when you come to your Google Play Store again, search for current app. Just search for current app like this. So you'll find this logo that have money and in-app. Click on this one. You can see this type of, you'll find this type of logo and app. And if you find this name here, which is make money and earn cash reward, then once you find the application like this, then you click on open. So if you want to, all the application I'm going to talk, the links of all those applications will be in our description below. So when you click on it, normally it will ask you to register. You need to register with your Gmail account, and all the whole application will send you a verification link. And once you click on that verification link, you will now have access to your account. So you have your password and your email that you'll be using to log in, because if you want to cash out in any of those applications, they will request for that your password. Make sure you remember that your password, and yeah, that is what I want you to know. So this is the home page of the application. So I have set a goal to redeem paper cash, which is $20, which I'm going to have at least minimum amount of 39,000 points, 39,950 points to be able to get this $20 into my paper account. So if you ask me, have I even make more than this money? Yes, I have already cashed out from this application, which is called Current App. I will still show you proof. So yeah, that is what I want you to do. They have daily goals. You can set your daily goals. So if you hit your daily goals, you are going to get extra points for hitting your daily goals. You can see that you can take surveys from this application, and you can take surveys and you can play games. So you can see here that any one of those games you play, every 1 minute you are going to be getting 4 points for Appkarma into your you are going to be getting 4 current points into your paper, into your account, and you can convert it with any amount, with any currency. You can convert it to any type of gift card that you really want to use it for. So let us go back. And if you come to this section that says surveys, you can see that you can take surveys and get paid. You can see that you can take surveys, you can get almost 2,000 points, 3,000 points, 41,000 points, no, 4,000 points, 3,000 points, 2,000 points. So it keeps on going. So you can take multiple surveys and get paid if you want to. Click on any one of them, complete the survey. Once you are able to complete the survey, the point will be added into your current app account. So you will see that your points at the bottom here will increase. You see the yellow color is you. That is when you will know how, okay, this is how much I have. As you can see, currently I have 10,000 current points on my account currently right now, which is almost some dollars. And if I want to cash out those money, I will click on this redeem icon, and you will see that I can cash out 10 cents, 25 cents, 50 cents, $1. I can even cash out $3 right now if I want to my paper account, and I can choose to use it in other things like Amazon, Coinbase, and I can cash all those money into my Coinbase account if I want. But I don't want to do that because I'm using paper anytime I'm using those applications. So yeah, that is what I do. So you can see multiple ways you can use to redeem your money. You can even use it to buy things from Free Fire, and you can use it to do anything, shop online, buy wristwatch, buy some old theater, and you can buy anything, even Fortnite. What is this? You can even buy Fortnite. Yeah, that is a lot of things that you can use your money to do. That depends on you. I don't know what you really want to use your money to do with this application. So yeah, and that is everything I need to talk about on this video. So, and one thing before I end this video, this application have a D's where you go and find a lot of options on how you can make money. So you have multiple ways you can use to make money online. You can partner with application, go and use a particular website. You can even see that you can even earn money from TikTok, but they have a role to play if you want to earn money from TikTok with these applications. You need to download TikTok and earn points from your videos. So you have to follow instruction of what they are telling you. You will see that you will be making money with this application, which is called a current app. And you'll find a lot of these on this application, which is current app, that you can do, and you'll be making money from your TikTok account. You can even see that you can start making money from making just TikTok videos. For those of you who have gone viral on TikTok, this is a good option for you to make money with TikToks. So yeah, that is what you need to know about this. And other way you can still use to make money with this application is called referral. So you can refer people to this program and make money. You can see that you earn 10 if you invite 10 friends, you earn up to $25 point per friend, plus 5% of their music for life. So yeah, that is what you really need to know about this application, which is called current app. So for referring people to this program, you will be able to start making money from your friends, and even if they are your friend or not your friend, as long as they use your link, you will be making money. So just copy your link and start sharing it, and people will start making money from you, and you'll be making money from them. So yeah, it's a win-win game. So just start referring people and start making money with this step-by-step guide. So that is anything, everything I need to talk about on this video. And before I end it again, to start listening to music and getting paid is to click on the music icon at the bottom, and here you are going to search for the artist you want. Like, let me say, if you want to search for Chris Brown, if you want to search for Nicki Minaj, if you want to search for Wizkid, Davido, Burna Boy, search for any one of them here, and they will pop up. Click on their name, and you click on play. The music will start playing. More the music is playing, more you are making point, and you can cash that point into cash. So that is what I want you to know. On the boosting area, here is the session that I told you before that you can use to start making extra cash. So you can see that you can do a lot of things: installing application, taking surveys, watching videos. Here you can see here that you can watch 50 seconds video, you will get paid for just doing that. So if I click on this 1 minute video, if I click on this session here, you will see that I can watch all those videos you can see here and make money from this application. So it's very, very simple. All you just need to do is to come here, start watching videos, and start watching videos and start making money for free. So that is what I need to talk about. So I'm going to end this session. We are going to move to the third application. So before we move to the third application, let me show you the proof that I've received my money from this application. So you can see the history of my earning. So this is the history of my earning. If I click on redeem here, you will see that I've received money here. I've received money. I've received money. You can see PayPal gift card, PayPal gift card, PayPal gift card. So you can see that I really received money from this application. So yeah, it keeps on coming again. So yeah, this is what I just want to show you, that I've really received money from this application. So that is what I need to talk about. So let us move to the next application that you can use to make money for free. So once you're on your Google Play Store, you need to search for this application, which is called Stormgain. You need to search for Stormgain. You'll find this application you can see on the screen. Click on it and install the application. So how you can make money with this application is just to mine Bitcoin. You can see that I have mined $7.40 USDT. That is how much that I have mined currently. Let me click on this section here and verify the capture so that the mining will start again. So every 4 hours, you need to come back again to verify this capture you can see on the screen to start mining again and again. So that is what you do. So to register is very simple. It's with your email account and password, and you verify the email they will send to you, and you are good to go. Once you land here, don't do anything. Just click on this section that say miner. Then you click on verify the capture. Automatically you will start mining. So you are not mining from your own smartphone. Don't worry if it's don't be like, oh, my phone is going to die because I'm mining. No, you are not the one doing the work. You are just helping other companies that have mining machines. So if you come down here, you can come down here, scroll down a little bit. So when you scroll down here, you will see say enhance your miner. So you can see that you can refer your friend to this program and get paid too. And here you can see how much you can be making daily, weekly, monthly, every 30 days. You can see everything here and what you require. And if you want any question, if you want to ask any question, you can see all the questions you need to ask in the description at the bottom here, which is FAQ, which is question and answer. You can just find any question you really want to know, and here you will know what you are trying to ask and the solution of that. So that is what you need to know about this application, which is called Stormgain. So you can start mining from your smartphone, but you are not the one doing the work. There's other companies that want people to be happy assisting them on their mining system. So that is what you are doing. You are not the one doing the job. All you just need to do is to allow this Stormgain to run on your smartphone, and that is only what you need. You are just supporting their system. That is only what I can say on this with this Stormgain mining method. So it's a free way that you can really get free Bitcoin. As you can see, I'm just doing this on my smartphone, and as you can see, I have $7.43 on my account currently right now, and I can convert that point into BTC, which is Bitcoin, and I can transfer that Bitcoin into anywhere I want to transfer it to. So yeah, that is only what I want to talk to you about on this application, which is Stormgain. And I'm going to end the video from here. So if you really enjoyed this video, all I want you to do is to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want me to make more video better than this, I want you to smash the like button, and I will see you soon on my next video. Don't forget again to follow me on my Instagram page and on my Facebook page and on my Twitter account. Or If you wish, you can check out my website, which will be in the description below, and I will still pop up on the screen, which is www.regodspower.com. And I will see you on my next video, and I will say thank you very much and peace.